Peabody and Sherman. We need black, and we need orange, and we need brown. Okay, first we're going to do Peabody. Let me facing this way because I don't know how to do him. Just make that into a eye. And it would, and you do his back so his glasses can fit. And then you do his head. Then you do his legs. And you do his bowl. Oh, we need red. That's how you do Peabody. I was real quick. Oh, we need black. This is how you do Sherman. It's kind of like hairy hair. I'll do his nose and his of course everyone needs them. He's quite taller than Peabody. That doesn't matter. He's dad. Doesn't matter if we go out the lines. Because he went to another country to that place when there was. I need skin color for Sherman. We didn't write it in black because Peabody's white, but we don't want it to be white because we can't see it. It's the P, B, O, D, E, N, D, Sh, E, N, This is how you do Mr. Peabody and Sherman.